If you sign up for one of my workshops this spring or summer, you will receive my latest Towering Winds video on working wet into wet. See below for details. Hi, I'm Dale Popovich. I'm excited to announce that I've been invited back this year to the Peninsula Art School for a 4-day workshop in Door County. We're going to explore the different ways in which using transparent watercolor and interpreting nature, you're going to learn how to actually build a painting. And building the painting is a block-in process. That block-in process is working from large to small, light to dark, working from background to foreground, and applying intense colors at the beginning of your painting. You're going to learn how to create textures in your painting. I'm going to supply you all photo reference, and it's always more important what you leave out than what you put in. In this process of learning watercolor, my objective is to have you walk away with a great experience, with more knowledge in your head. And this is so very important to me. My classes are small, and this will give me the opportunity to work individually with you. If you've ever been to Door County before, you realize that it's like coming to Cape Cod. Come join us for this wonderful experience and explore the different ways of handling watercolor.